Model, 67 plate Ford Transit Connect 231.5 TDCI Trend Automatic Crew Cab needs repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 13200. MOT, the 20th of May 2026. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS6C. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van has a dry clutch issue. The van is shaking on idle. Clutch is rattling on idle, and when you put in drive or reverse it tries to drive but the clutch is slipping and won't move. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle.